told you. You have to talk into the microphone. It's in the shrub!
But I told you! I can't do Lopsy with the shrub!
Alright, we'll have to think of something else. Okay, Lena. Now look at the flower in your dress. The microphone is in there. And all you have to do is talk towards it, okay?
Okay!
Okay, quiet! Roll 'em!
Oh, Pierre, you should have come for me. You're wearing
What's that noise?
The mic video of your heartbeat!
Well, that's just swell. Cut!
Will you knock it off? Jeez.
Now, Lena, look at your shoulder. The microphone is in there. And all you have to do is talk into it, okay?
Okay!
Don't make any sudden jerky movements or you might disconnect the cable, okay?
Okay!
Okay, quiet. Roll 'em.
Oh, Pierre, you shouldn't have come for me. You're flirting with danger, you!
What's this wire doing here? This is dangerous.